Today we're going to make a quick video of how to install a new tail light on a 2002 Honda CR-V. Alright, I have the replacement here. There's the old one. Now we're just going to go ahead and insert all these pigtails back into place. Alright, there it is. So let's go ahead and insert it back into its place here, just like so. There is a little clamp, there it goes. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and insert our two Phillips screws, one here and one up here, and go ahead and secure them down. Alright, once you have both of the screws secured, just go ahead and insert the cap back into its place. And there it is. And you're done. And that is how you install a new tail light on the driver's side, on a 2002 Honda CR-V. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.